How many miles on a brand new car is actually normal? These cars just rolled off the assembly line, and delivery is about 30 minutes away. So what happens in that last half hour? First up is toe inspection, also known as four-wheel alignment. This is German-made Dürr testing equipment, built on 2 levels. Once the car is parked, the hood is opened to get ready for headlight adjustment. Then a diagnostic device is plugged into the OBD port, and a level tool is placed on the steering wheel. The steering wheel must be perfectly centered for alignment. The system powers on. 32 infrared beams track each wheel in real time. A technician downstairs watches the screen and adjusts the tie rods to fine-tune the front toe angle. At the same time, a technician upstairs adjusts the headlights. There are 2 knobs behind each headlight, one for up and down, one for left and right. Regulations require the beam pattern to be lower on the left and slightly higher on the right. Do you know why? After that, the car moves to a high-speed roller test, also using German Dürr equipment. Here, the speed is pushed to 140 kilometers per hour. The system simulates different driving conditions to test braking force, acceleration, and overall performance. Next is the emissions test area. The current China 6 standard is extremely strict. With the engine warmed up, you can barely smell anything from the exhaust. After emissions testing, the car goes outside for a real road test. Engineers simulate rough and complex road conditions to check driving noise, operating noise, and overall performance. Any noise that affects customer experience means the car will not leave the factory. Then comes a critical step, the full vehicle rain test. The car is sprayed from every angle to simulate a heavy storm. Afterward, technicians manually inspect the body to make sure there are no leaks or electrical issues. If everything passes, the car moves to the final quality inspection line. Another electrical system check is performed, and the vehicle is switched into transport mode. In this mode, many electrical functions are disabled, and the top speed is limited to 25 kilometers per hour. Once approved, a 3C certification label is placed on the windshield, and the compliance certificate is issued. There is also an environmental certificate and a conformity certificate, both required for registration. Finally, the fuel consumption label and the vehicle nameplate are attached. Now, the car is officially ready for delivery. Logistics staff drive it to the finished vehicle parking lot. At this point, the odometer usually shows around 2 kilometers. The final mileage you see also depends on how the vehicle was transported.